we're going to talk to you about our wand and how we spray, how we actually apply the emulsion. If you take a look here, we just got brass fittings, pipe fittings, 1/4 inch, and that's it. We don't use V-jet tips. That was something we used to do in the old days, but now we just spray out of these 1/4 inch pipe fittings and they make a beautiful pattern. We like these aluminum wands. They're lightweight. We like a little T-handle on it. Gives you a lot of control. We also like a live swivel. Gives you the ability to take out a kink in your hose. Just makes it a whole lot easier on your crew. Then all we use is just a 1/2 inch ball valve. Little handle, on and off, very simple. Not much to this, but the real key is how light it is. It's very lightweight, easy to maneuver. This adapter that just screws on. You take the other 1/4 inch brass. This one again is made out of aluminum. It goes on, and then where we would use this, guys, is over on a edge where we have no parapet wall at all. So with this adapter, I keep every bit of the emulsion on the roof. I don't get anything that splatters over the side. And we'll show you some pictures of how it works a little bit later.
So right here we're using our sprayless adapter, and as you can see, it still requires a little bit of work, but if you have some cars down below or a nice sidewalk, or you're working next to a courtyard that you don't want to get dirty, this is a great way to minimize risk with the overspray. So downside of this is it's not quite as fast and it requires some manipulation with the broom. But this is a spot where if I'm trying to minimize the mess and the risk, you know, you can do this for maybe say 8 to 10 feet, and then we would switch back to our regular tip at that. Okay. The way you hold the broom is going to make a huge difference in how much product you're pushing. So there's basically 3 basic ways to use the broom. Either you can push it, which you can see basically moves all of the emulsion, right? It leaves almost nothing behind. You can pull it, which leaves a little bit less, but still manipulates the majority of the emulsion into a pile to where you finish. If you want to leave a nice 100 mils of wet product behind, and you're doing what we're doing here, oftentimes the best way is to hold the broom backwards, and I'm actually taking a little bit of pressure off of this broom. I'm actually kind of holding it up in the air a little bit as I'm walking, and with that, I can manipulate the products and end with very little at the end. What we're going to do on this roof, lay down a 20-inch rule, and I'm just kind of using this broom to manipulate the product and give ourselves a 20-inch wide feet of emulsion. So now if I end up with a pile up here, it's not the end of the world. We're going to be there in a minute. So I'm trying to smooth it out evenly. Obviously, we'd like to have exactly 6 gallons per square. But, you know, over the course of an application, I mean, you know, you're going to have 5 here and 7 there from time to time. It's not the end of the world. When we broom this in from the top, that will help spread that and even that emulsion out. So we have the ability to help smooth. So if you can see right here, it's a little high spot. Right here is a little high spot. But once we set the sheet in there and I pull the broom through it, then these little high spots will get flattened out.
Hey guys, Tim with Western Colloid. Just want to say thanks for viewing some of our videos. Hopefully they've been useful to you. And be sure to visit us at westerncolloid.com. Reach out to any of our reps. Names are listed on the website. So take advantage of what we have to offer for you. Thanks.